Okay. Oh, masih ito lah. Okay, tapos ito setting minimum is 400. 8 knots and no rain over the field. Tapi ini cek. Sekarang ke kiri ya. Theme song. Okay, geared up, flaps 15. Starting. Initial VREX plus 5.
Left side, sir?
Check. Contact this.
Start speed.
Yes.
Speed brake.
Arm. Flaps.
Flaps.
30 behind.
Let's go with that. Wait,
Check.
crossing left, 9 knots. There's the power there.
Straight up to black. Step at 2000. This approach is 3,500 to the left. And step down. Check. Okay, for our mode is set, 7,500 feet. This is set. All set. Check. Check. Wiper height is? Yeah, kind of helping lah. Also, throttle people sort of stabilize and continue to approach. Check. Okay, got off me now. Mano cross. By the record.
Right 1-4.
Right things good.
Right 1-6. Right 1-6. Perfect.
Sir. Yep, green one. Check. Correcting. Sure.
500.
Go down. Alright, go down. Flat 15.
Flat 15.
Awesome. Gear up. 100. Oh, windshield ini. LNAV. LNAV, Captain. Ya itu nggak bisa tuh, windshield dikit aja tuh. It's okay.
Passing.
Check.
15 feet.
Ya, boleh. Dikit ya. Throttle arm. Bravo. Out of flight. Increase speed. Out of flight. Flaps 5. Udah aman dapat. Balik lah flat terus. Enggak. Flaps 1. That's not okay. Ya udah nggak bisa, tadi kita juga drop parah itu nggak bisa. Flaps up.
Terus dia juga lari ke kanan.
Iya udah kecep, gitu.
Right heading 360.
Kenapa?
Right heading 360.
Oh, right heading 360 dong. Cek. Cek. Now switches remain until takeoff checklist, please. Ah.
It's on the road without any flash.
Masih bisa ya. Kita lepasin no support text juga ya, legal ya. Thunderstorm and Rain, we're rating top 1 and copy visibility to kilo Mike by tower. Ciao, menit bilang Thunderstorm and Rain. Show the tower, good day, Thunderstorm and Rain, RNP runway 28 again. Yeah. Okay, continue approach number 2 on sequence and confirm QNH 1006, line to Nana 100. 006, copy line to Nana 100. Resi po ya, dati ya. QNH. Sorry?
Gear number.
Gear number 15. Update QNH. $1,000 to go, stand by. Gear down 15 set.
Flight 40.
Check, flight 40.
Progress looks to be on site.
Progress to check.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist, any start switches. Speed brake. Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
40.
Check. Landing checklist completed. Tailwind max is 10 knots. Heavy rain pun kita masih guna landing Surabaya ya. So that's not a factor. Yes. Radio altimeter alive. Range sa natin na naman. Wind calm lang. Becoming left crosswind. Speed right. Tap 2000. That wind 16 increasing. 18. 2000, perfect, check, we're on glide. Stand by, go around mode, stand by. That's what I level off, yes. Go around check, set, was approach 3557. Another 100, we are final, runway 28, request landing clearance. 40, green light. Head 20. Consider nama dia interaction. 1000, Bottle 340.
1000.
Prepare for go around. Head 15, left 6 knots. Head 10, decreasing. Coming left crosswind. Come on, approach slide inside. Check. Slide director. Left 4 knots. FD.
500.
Check. 2 white, 2 red. Good. Left 8 knots.
400.
Beside,
Minimums.
Left 6 speed high.
300.
On path. Nice.
200.
Good. Left 5 knots. On path. Nice.
100.
Tail 8.
50.
Continue.
40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed break up. Reverse. Normal.